The definition of verb. A verb is a word that describes an action, occurrence, or state of being. There is 3 types of a verb. The first is action verbs. For example, she runs every morning. Runs is an action verb. And the second is linking verb. He is a doctor. Is the linking verb. Third is helping verb. The cake was eaten by children. And the was eaten is the helping verb. The function of verb is to expressing action. Action verb is describe what the subject of the sentence does, like run, jump, write, speak, sing, and etc. And 2 is the linking the subject to information. Linking verb connect the subject to a subject complement, provides more information about the subject. Example of common linking verb is to be, SMR, was, being, been, to become, becomes, became, becoming, and to seem, seems, seemed. The third is helping for auxiliary function. Auxiliary function or helping verb is assist the. The third is helping or auxiliary function. Auxiliary verb or helping verb assist the nouns verb, the main verb to form different tenses, moods, or voice. And the fourth is indicating state of being. Some verbs describe of state or condition. Example of state of being verbs include to be, seem, become, and appear, feel, look, around, sound, taste. The fourth is indicating existence. The 10 verbs show existence of 10 form of to be. And the 6 is forming question and negative. And the 6 is forming question and negation. Verbs are used to form interrogative and negative sentence.